stop throwing this away, what you see as waste is quietly making smart farmers rich, and in the next few minutes, you'll see exactly how. Every day, millions of people throw this away without thinking. Cassava peels, food scraps, market waste. Most people see dirt and disease, but farmers who understand this secret see money. This waste feeds black soldier fly larvae, one of the fastest growing farming businesses in the world. These larvae turn waste into high-protein feed for fish, poultry, and pigs. Farmers sell the larvae, they sell the frass fertilizer, and they reduce feed costs by over 50%. Across Africa and beyond, farmers are quietly building income from what others dump. While others struggle with expensive feed, smart farmers feed their animals with waste and keep the profit. Most people will keep throwing this away, but now you know better. This is how smart farmers turn waste into wealth. If you want to learn the exact steps, tools, and setup, subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell for more practical farming content. And check the description for the complete A to Z guide that shows you how to start. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.